Another bearish week for Dow Jones, and as expected, as I shared, this was the first red candle and the second red candle followed here. However, higher lows are seen, which is still a good sign for the bulls out there. So what to expect next week? Can we expect it to break down further, or we can expect a reversal from here? And is it going to go bullish? Which position you should take in order to profit trading Dow Jones next week? We will see with the help of charts followed with indicators. Towards that, I will give you the trading levels and strategy for next week. Do watch till the end. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the daily analysis before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. And also, you can be part of my free Telegram channel where you get the live market updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. Now look at the daily charts first. See, there was a reversal sign. Yes, this bullish candle indicated a reversal. Almost flat top is seen and then consecutive red candles. Now see, most importantly, the movement of these four red candles was completely engulfed between these two candles itself. It failed to break past 33,000 levels. In fact, it shied away from 33,100 itself, which is a good sign. This also indicates that US30 is still consolidating before it looks forward to a breakout. And yes, that is where 33,000 is the level you should watch out for, below which only further bearishness going to take it for 32,800, 32,500 levels. Right now it appears it is not in a mood to do so. Now if you observe these candles closely, slightly higher highs, slightly higher lows, it is very much within this zone. And if you look at these three candles, so this zone at 33, 400 and 500 becomes important. And any point of time, if you see now US30 trading above 33,500, consider this for a rise, and then we can see it hitting again 33,800, 34,000 levels. Now second observation here is, see, the body size has also diminished. The last candle on Friday was a swing candle. The body size is minuscule. It also indicates this will increase the chances of a reversal from here, and hence in fact you can stay long above 33,400 itself, beyond which little more bullishness can be expected, which might take it for 33,500 and 600 levels. But look at the larger scheme of things. See, first of all, US30, if you see this, is still very much within this box, 33,000, 34,000 levels. Yes, it tried to breach past couple of times but failed to do so. In fact, it tried to breach on the downside but failed to do so. Second point is, look at the consolidation here for a couple of weeks or so, and then this bullish move. Now after this bull run, it is just trying to retrace a little on the downside, which is also a flag formation, and hence any breakout beyond 33,800, 34,000 levels certainly is an indication that US30 has reversed and we may see it flying high. Right now it is still very much within the box, and if you look at further larger scheme of things, see the bottom here at 29,000 levels, and then this is still trading sideways within this channel, and any breakout here is what I will be looking forward to confirm the rise and confirm the breakout levels. So yes, it is very much within the box. First 33,000, 34,000 zone, and in fact even if it breaks on the downside 32,500, 32,000 still is going to be the greater support here. Now that was on the daily charts. Now look at the weekly charts, and this is what I am trying to say. Lower highs, lower lows, pole here, flag here. Wait for it to break past 32,000, 33,800, 34,000 levels, and then just stay long. It is going to hit. In fact, all-time high levels are also possible. But right now, if you look at right now what is happening, it is still very much within this channel, within this flag formation. The bottom of this flag now at around 31,000 levels, very far below. But for next week specifically, you need to wait for it to break past 33,000 levels. Then 32,800, 32,500 and 32,000 levels cannot be denied here. So on the weekly charts, yes, even if it tries to drop further, 32,000 levels certainly be a very good resistance, which is almost 1,200 points from here. Now look at the monthly charts. Already we have seen on the weekly charts that after the drop it has retraced a bit, and it is still consolidating and waiting for a breakout. Now look at the monthly. See, on the monthly charts, couple of bullish candles. After that, just it is trying to consolidate here. And see, this is a very wider range from 34,000 to 31,000 levels in which it is trying to trade as of now, because the base, the pole here is a very longer one which is with a very long handle there, and that is where these levels, this zone becomes important. Right now it is consolidating, trying to create a flag out here. Now if you look at the two candles here, see, first of all, this candle also has achieved higher highs, lower lows. And if you measure the distance, the pivot right now is situated at around 33 610 620 zone. Only if it trades above 33 600 650 zone, you can expect. So I look forward to these levels to be breached, and then possibly at that if it stays above 33 600 650 zone, there could be a pullback which might take it for 33 800 34,000 levels, and anyways above 34,000 levels it might try to give you a very strong breakout. Right now it is trading with a slightly bearish path, but let's have a look with the help of indicators if the indicators are also of the same opinion. Now if you look at the monthly chart, the 20 months average has given it a good support. This is an exponential moving average situated at around 32,950, has given it a good support. It is right now trading in between 20 period simple and exponential moving average, but way above 50 and 100 months average. This is a good sign. This is a bullish sign. Trading above the median of the Bollinger Band, this is also a good sign for the bulls out here. Now stochastic has dropped a bit. The MACD on the other hand has been trading bearish so far, and if you look at the movement since last 7-8 years, or rather you can say 10-15 years, you can see these are the bottoms from where, see, higher highs are always seen, but this time it has not yet crossed over. I'll wait for it to cross over on the monthly charts in order to confirm the bullish reversal. Right now it is still in red on the monthly charts. RSI looking down. On the weekly charts, on the weekly charts too, see, still the 20 50 100 period moving average are still in the bullish bias. It's still trading with a bullish bias with little divergence though. Yes, it is just crossed, or just it is closed in between 20 and 50 weeks average, and 33 100 and 32 950 are the two support levels which are there on the downside. Below that it may try to get or it may try to show you a stronger drop, taking it for 32 700 32 500 levels. Now see, on the weekly charts, stochastic was overbought. It has cooled down a bit. It has come down to considerable levels. At the same time, the MACD is again trying to cross over for a sell. Right now it is still very much near to zero levels. RSI also looking down, trying to trade bearish. Now look at the daily. On the daily charts, you can find it is trading below the 20 50 100 weeks moving average, which is a bearish time for now on the daily charts, but it can reverse again any point of time. 33 600 650 zones certainly I will be looking forward to, and then 33 800. If these two levels are taken, certainly you can say that it is reversed. Now on the daily chart, the stochastic has dropped. The MACD is trading with divergent and bearish, and this is, you can see, after a good bullish swing it is just trying to retrace a little. Now possibly it can try to achieve the bottom and reverse from here. RSI is also looking down, trying to trade slightly bearish here, but it is still neither overbought nor oversold. Now we have seen the charts, you have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy for you so that you can trade profitably next week. And before I proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you can join my mentorship batch. The 22nd batch starts on first week of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel. Trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. Considering this, first let's have a look at the levels to buy. I will recommend you to buy here at 33 260, next 33 310, and 33. Now see, till 33 400 there is resistance at every 50 points, which means this is a critical resistance zone you should watch out for. You should wait for it to break past these levels. This is certainly an indecision zone. As soon as it breaks past 33 400, we can look forward to 33 500, 33 610 levels. Now this is going to be the pivot level beyond which only little more bullishness can be expected, and then I will expect it to hit 33 800 and then 34,000 levels. Trading above 34, certainly sky is the limit, chances are less. However, these are markets, everything is possible. Now this means that till 33 600 levels we have to exercise extra caution. On the downside, where to sell? A sell entry can be taken at 33 180. However, remember 33 150 and 33 100. These two levels needs to be breached. Below that you can expect 32 950, the next support, and if it does, then 32,800 will be seen. Till 32,800 it can possibly bounce back strongly. It can reverse again below 32,800. Certainly more bearishness is going to be seen, and then 32,500 is something which is almost, or which will almost become certain and inevitable, and hence below 32,800 more bearishness may prevail, which is going to pull the prices down for 32,500, 32,200, 32,000 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or trading queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.